Welcome to this quick walkthrough of Thingsty. Today, we'll explore how to set up your account, add devices, link gateways, create dashboards, generate reports, and onboard clients, all in just a few minutes. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to navigate Thingsty with confidence. Let's dive in. Step 1. Signing up and getting started. To get started with Thingsty, begin by visiting our website at thingsty.com. Once you're on the website, enter your email in the sign-up form. Click Start Free Trial to begin. Choose a secure password and enter a unique brand name for your organization. Click Create Your Application and wait while the platform sets up your account. Each account gets a separate data store and access controls to ensure security and privacy. Once your account is ready, fill out the basic profile information in the form that appears, then click Enter My Account. You will now land on the central console where you can manage everything related to your IoT ecosystem. Before proceeding, check your email for a verification code. Enter it and click Verify. Now, you're all set to onboard your first IoT devices. Step 2. Creating an access group. To structure your platform and organize your devices efficiently, you need access groups. Think of them as folders for different users, projects, or clients. In this walkthrough, we will create a new group. Navigate to the Access Group section. Click Add Group. Enter a name and description in the form that appears. Click Save to create the access group. For this demo, we are naming our group Demo Group. That's it. Now let's move on to adding our first thing. Step 3. Adding a thing. A thing in Thingsty is an IoT device that collects and transmits data. It can also be an asset with multiple sensors, such as a building or a vehicle. Let's onboard one now. Navigate to the Things section. Click Add Thing. Enter the device name. Define basic parameters. These include sensor readings like temperature, humidity, or power consumption. For this demo, we will add voltage and current. Add formula-based combination parameters to create derived values, such as total power usage based on voltage and current. Set up events and faults. For example, trigger alerts when voltage reaches a certain value or exceeds a threshold. Add a control parameter as well. Finally, assign it to an access group, which is Demo Group in our case. With this setup, our thing is ready to be linked to a gateway. Step 4. Linking a gateway. A gateway or link is the actual source of data. It can either be the sensor itself, if it connects directly to the internet, or a separate device that collects data from sensors and forwards it. Here's how we link a gateway. Click Attach a Link Gateway to proceed to the configuration form. Give it a name and choose the thing to connect it to. Our thing is already selected. Select the appropriate JSON structure for incoming data, or define a custom one if needed. After selecting an access group, click Save to create the link. Once the link is created, test the given endpoints to ensure proper connectivity. For this demo, we will use a third-party tool called EMQX Client to simulate a sensor gateway and connect using the MQT WebSocket protocol. With the gateway linked, we can now receive, process, and store real-time data. Step 5. Creating a dashboard. Dashboards provide real-time visual insights into your IoT data. To create a dashboard, navigate to the Dashboard section and click Add Dashboard. Give it a name and attach it to an access group. Click Save to create it. Add widgets to display data from the demo thing. Let's send some new data and watch it populate the widgets. See how quickly that worked? The data was ingested, processed, stored, and displayed on the dashboard within a split second. Configure the mobile view to ensure the dashboard is responsive on different devices. In a production setup, dashboards can display live tracking, monitoring, and control, just like in these example screenshots of real-world applications. Step 6. Generating reports. Reports help summarize data trends for analysis and decision-making. Here's how to set it up. Navigate to the Reports section and click Add Report. Set up a report template, select which parameters to include, and connect it with an access group. To generate a report, click Download and navigate to the Generate Report tab in the pop-up that appears. Select a time range and granularity, then press Generate Copy. The report will be downloaded automatically when ready. This ensures that reports remain customizable and scalable for different use cases. Step 7. Adding a client user. Thingsty isn't just for internal teams. You can onboard clients so they can monitor their own data. To add a client user, navigate to the Users section and click Add User. Enter their details and assign them to an access group. Set their permissions based on what they need to see and control. Once added, clients can log in securely and access only their assigned data. Step 8. Client login via subdomain. Clients log in via their dedicated subdomain instead of the main Thingsty portal. Once inside, they can view dashboards, access reports, monitor their own IoT devices. This keeps client data private, secure, and organized. And that's a wrap. We covered account setup, device onboarding, gateway linking, dashboards and reports, client onboarding, and secure login. Thingsty makes IoT device management effortless. Ready to explore more? Log in and start building your IoT ecosystem today.